Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright, so you probably see me putting on the mirrors and you're wondering, why am I putting on the mirrors? Well, that's basically because today what I'll be doing is I'll be heading to the tax office and the examination depot to get my registration renewed and get some new fitness on my bike. So stay tuned for the whole video, and if you want to know the process of getting your bike legal, that is the process of renewing fitness, registration and everything on a used bike here in Jamaica, go ahead and click this here and you can go ahead, watch that video, and you'll get some information on that. Stay tuned.
Good to be back on my bike! Yeah, baby! Feels damn good, bro. Bike is running. That's very good. But we got rain over there. Yep, I feel raindrop. Green always are far right here, so. Oh shit, it's raining, man. It's raining. It's raining on the down the road. Unless it's all catch me down there. Oh shit, there we go. The rain always there right at the little section there. Right there, so. feels so good to be back on the road, baby! Yay! Oh God, I'm about to sneeze in my helmet. Oh shit! Oh God, nasty! Ew, ew, ew! Woo! Ah! Yeah! Sneeze on my helmet there. That's so nasty. Usually when you got people, you should leave your yard long before 10 a.m. That good cushion alcohol. I got some downs I can call. I don't know what I would do if I thought I'm a ball to the day I fall. These mirrors, they're like all over the place. Oh yeah, I'm not doing much talking today because I'm trying to keep a level head, you know? Trying to keep a level head going towards the examination depot. The depot that I'll be going is Swallowfield. It's closer to me, so that's the one I'm gonna go with, and that's the one that I always go to. So yeah. Some people say the Spanish Town depot easier or them not so hard for you, but I don't know, man. It just depends on the people. It just depends on the person and how good their day is and all sort of shit, you know? Whoa, look over here, son. Damn, that's a thing. You prefer over here somewhere it's nice and sunny? Over there, so over there. What? Darkest. Darkest crap hole. I put on an indicator, but you don't move. Something should I go in now? Yeah. I will take the wrong turn. I fear. Yo, I tell me to take out the mirror, you know, because then just a hamper my things, so brother. Thank you.
Later.
Yeah, hamper my brother. Yeah, and I like to me not use them, but them when they're big and just hamper me dog. But I just think so. I know you carry that scent there. Take out the mirror now. Let's say what this a turn. Me mama. Yeah, I'm for my brother. Yeah, and I like to me not use them, but them when they're big and just hamper me dog. Don't take off your mirrors, guys. Keep your mirrors on. See, look like rain the up so. Come here, so how this reach all the way up? Turn it up. The mirror make it a turn to, you know? Me bongo. Back in business. man with the lighter man. Then shut down back man. A piece of rain the outside, you see man, blows and skirt. Watch out now? Me not take on a rain go right now, you know. Me not doing it, bro G.
Rage on that beat,
Yeah.
going crazy.
Don't judge me.